It truly means everything to us. The moment is special for us, and we all have gathered together to make it more special. We are here for the Parents Orientation Program of Step in Kids. The journey begins now. Step in Kids is a school for big futures and a school striving for excellence, where everyone smiles in the same language, the language of learning. But before we start with our program, I would like to welcome our Honorable Director Sir, Mr. Rajiv Mendiratta, and respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Ritu Mendiratta, without whom nothing could be possible. If I have to say a few words for them, it would be thank you. Thank you for being one of those rare people who are ready to go that extra mile for others and giving so much of yourself. We hope you know how much we appreciate and value you. Thank you, parents, for being with us today, tomorrow, and forever. On this note, I hope, on behalf of my team, that you all will have the best evening with all of us now. Now, we are going to start with our parents' orientation program of Step in Kids. Now, I would like to request my colleague, Ms. Priyanka Marane ma'am, to take the program ahead.
Thank you, Shrijita ma'am. Let's move to Stepping's belief. We believe that our life is like a gift of God, where we can speak, can express our thoughts, and most important, we can become parents. We believe that this world is so beautiful, and every child makes it more beautiful. And when they born, brings happiness in our life. Our school not only recognizes the ability, capacity of every child, but also stand behind and inspire them to move ahead. Each part of an education is like an opportunity for children to become successful in their life. Moving forward for our mission statement. Our school always tries very hard to accomplish missions. They are as follows. To make every child aware of his and her capacities and motivate them to do every act in the right way. Our school always look forward that children should behave politely to each other. We want them to be humble and should show respect towards elders. We want to make them not only responsible person, but of course, want them to be a good human being. Let's have a look on our staffing.
Hello. Mute.
When school will be physically open to all children, our average class ratio will be for nursery. For every 10 students, one teacher will be there. For kindergarten, every 20 students, one teacher will be there. As our children are too small, hence, one attendant will be with them. We have not only trained but experienced teachers too. I hope you all are clear with all the slides presented. Now, before I take the program ahead, I would like to make sure that the agenda of today's program is clear to all of you. An agenda is basically that we are going to cover in this entire program. So let's see what is our agenda. Milestone achieved during current situation. Teachers self-introduction. Next curriculum and related books and subjects as well. parent role, our assessment scheme, our special events, school guidelines for parent as well as children, contact details as we physically cannot be in touch with school. Hence, with the help of contact details, you will be able to resolve your queries. And last but not the least, your feedback and suggestions, which are very valuable for us. So this was all about my part. On behalf of my team, now I would like to welcome respected principal ma'am to please come up and give values to the next slide, that is milestone achieved. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Priyanka ma'am. A very good evening to all the parents present here and my dear teachers. Are you all able to listen to me? Am I audible? Thank you so much, Shijita ma'am. Okay. So parents, teachers already know these things because we are trying to trying to achieve all these things that we wanted to achieve since last 2-3 months with them. So I will definitely talk to the teachers, to the children as well as parents today. But before that, there's a very important and a humble request. We are trying from our own end to mute the family of Arav Bendele, but every time the child unmutes himself. So could I request the parents, I know the children are very excited to meet us, to know the teachers, but if you could just please make sure that the child is nowhere near the device and the device is handled by the parent. This will be a small and humble request to the parents. Because since last 10 minutes, this is what we are trying to do. We mute him and he unmutes himself. So this is something which I wanted to say. And yes, I know the children are quite excited to meet us. We are also very excited to meet all of you as well as our dear children as soon as possible. So parents, the first thing that I want to share with all of you is through a story. There is a child. The child is very young. Now this child goes to a school. I'm going to tell this story in as short manner as I can, but I want all of you to listen to the story and try to understand the underlying message that this story contains. So this child goes to the school, and the first day the teacher comes in and asks the child that they're going to draw together. So ask the child to take out the colors. The child is so excited. The child takes the color box out and says, oh wow, today I'm going to draw. And I can draw a lot of different things. I can draw sea, fishes, I can draw ships and whatnot. Then the teacher says, wait, we are going to draw a flower. The child says, okay, wow, that's great. I can draw a number of flowers. I can draw red flower, blue flower, yellow flower, rainbow flower. I can do a lot. And the teacher says, wait. We are going to draw a flower as I am going to tell you. And the teacher draws a red flower with a green stem. Cut to scene 2. The child goes to a new town. Because his father got transferred. He goes to a new town, new school. When he goes there, the first day when he attends the school, the teacher says, let us draw. The child says, okay, ma'am. The teacher says, let's draw a flower. Child says, okay, ma'am, but how can I draw? Why don't you draw it for me? The teacher says, no, bacha. You draw it yourself, whichever manner you wanted to draw. And the child says, you teach me. Teacher says, I am leaving it on you. Draw it as you want. The child thinks and draws. Parents, do you know what did the child draw? The child drew a red flower with a green stem. every time when I say this story, every time when I listen to this story, every time when I share the story, I have goosebumps at the end of the story. We at the Step In Kids do not want our children to be the child who has gone to the town and could only draw when the teacher tells him to draw first, and not a child who can draw flower only with a green pen. This is limiting a child's capacity. And if I'm not wrong when I say that the child is the father of the nation. He is the father of the man. He is the future. Whenever a child is with you, the child absorbs everything that goes on all around. When a child is born, Einstein said the child is born genius. He has or she has more brain cells in his or her brain than us human beings, us adults. So the child absorbs everything from the surrounding like a sponge. Even though you feel the child is not looking. The child catalogs it, makes a list of everything and keeps all the things in the brain and remembers. Very important thing. Hence, it is very, very essential, parents, that whatever we say to the children, whatever we do with the children, whether it is from the school side or from the parent side, should be well thought of. We should not do and say things which we do not mean, because children are very young and they take it as the literal meaning. What I had shared just now is not something that I had written. It's said by Maria Montessori, who started Montessori trainings in the world. So she is called as the mother of Montessori. So I want to tell you all, parents, that children are not born with manuals. They teach us parenting. So let us learn parenting through them, with them, and enjoy everything that they teach us. Do not teach children. Learn from the children. That is what I tell my teachers. That is what I'm going to tell my parents today. So parents, with this thought, I wanted to tell you the different things that we had achieved. The first thing is e-learning through lesson plans. So parents, when we started thinking of reaching out to all of you, the first thought that came in our mind is not that we could start the school in the month of June, because that exactly is the ideal time when the school starts for pre-primary section. We thought that you all are undergoing lockdown situation like us. We were quite disturbed during the lockdown time. We knew, our teachers knew, we as school knew that we are taking care of everything, every single thing. Our maids were in there. We had to take care of our children, our older people at home, everything we were doing ourselves. And that was quite a disturbing time when we could not even go out, meet our friends, do things as we want, could not even go out and have fun. So we thought that instead of starting the school in the month of June, why not ask the parents, knock at their doors, and come inside their houses to teach our children. And that is what we did in the month of April last week, when we communicated with a PTA member through a group that we had formed called as Step In Kids PTA, where we had shared the videos of our teachers for the lesson plans that we wanted to share with the children. We shared musics, we shared rhymes, stories through our PTA members and requested them to pass it on to all the other members of the grade groups. That happened in the last week of April, because we did not want the children to lose out on that personal touch that is very much required in these formative years of the children. This is the time when they are creating social bonding with each other. We did not want that the children shall completely forget that there's some facility in their life which is called a school and teachers. And that is the only reason we tried coming to your home and connecting with the children in the last week of April. And then finally, after that, what happened was that we were able to even celebrate Mother's Day, Father's Day with Fireless Cooking, as well as International Family Day with all of you. It's a big achievement. It's a big achievement from, if you could just tell someone to check out, somebody is annotating on the screen. I could definitely stop it from here, but if you could just make sure your children are sitting in your lap and not near the device, because I could see annotations on my screen, and this will definitely mar the whole orientation program with the annotations, those scribblings which I'm seeing over here. So parents, I'm so glad and happy that my teachers, my parents, and my school, my alma mater, made it possible to connect with you online, not only for the learning, but also for celebrating the different beautiful events that come throughout. I'm very thankful to all the parents who have participated in Mother's Day, Father's Day celebration, and the Family Day celebration. And finally, after this whole in between, what happened was Craftito. So that program came as a boon for us at the time when we wanted to give a break to the children by giving them something which is way beyond, by making all of you more tech savvy. The parents had logged in on different sites. They downloaded or connected through the fitness programs, through the stories. But I would like to highlight something. All the tasks that we had during the Craftito program, all the notes that you were getting with the Craftito link were not from the program. It was made by our teachers. So all the notes that you were getting, those beautiful notes filled with love, that you were getting with lots of smileys, flowers, hearts, and beautiful rainbow colors, were made by our teachers throughout the Craftito program. And we got so greedy when you started getting videos and audios and whatnot of the children. We became greedy. It's like, when a mother is being given only some part of the child, mother gets more greedy to get more part of it. That's how we became. And so we started with another thing which is called as a task of the day. So we started giving you tasks of the day so that you can learn more with the children, because that was exactly the time of 4 lockdowns that we went under. That was a time of family bonding. So we thought it would be better to have some good habits being inculcated throughout. When the child sees mama or papa doing those things, it will be great for the child to learn from their elders. So this is how slowly we started. On 22nd of June, we gave a 1-week holiday in between, and 22nd of June, we started our e-learning back. All my teachers are working day and night, even after taking care of their children. One of my teacher is a suckling mother. One of the teacher is not in Pune. So during the time when Amphan came, this teacher, she is the Bhattacharjee ma'am. She is in West Bengal, and braving the storm, she did not have, just for 2-3 days, she was out of connection. Otherwise, she was already present, and not even a single time has lapsed that you did not receive a note or an audio or a video message from her. So we made sure that we got connected with everybody. Then Nisarg happened. When this storm happened, at that time also, we had connectivity issues, but we made sure that by no means your program gets stopped. The Craftito program went unhindered without any stoppage. All the messages had been given to the parents, and all the voice notes, all the thank you notes, for the grateful notes that the teachers were giving to the children never stopped. So no storm had stopped our school spirit to come to your house to teach. Now, this is the last point, that the daily interaction happened through constructive remarks and audio video messages. Parents, my teachers are going to take you ahead today with the curriculum that we had designed for the children before the school went for lockdown and the world went in a lockdown for the COVID-19 situation. We will try and check out how we can integrate that syllabus in the online learning which we are doing through e-learning. We are not having any online classes right now because it's not advisable by the state government, but we'll definitely have the e-learning. That means one video per day. And many of our parents have said that I know that you all are busy like my teachers, so there is no compulsion or when to complete the task or activities that we want the children to learn. But parents, you need to understand, these are the formative years of the children. These 3 years, the kind of seed you're going to put in is going to bloom into a kind of plant which you will not have any problem with once the child comes in grade 1. So these are the 3 very, very important and crucial years of the child, and the child requires you at each step of his or her life. So make sure that if at all there's any kind of video that comes, maybe just take 10 minutes, 5 minutes out, because that's exactly the duration of a video. Just take the 10 or 5 minutes out in the whole day, sit with the child. Those videos are uploaded on the YouTube with a purpose, so that your child does not sit with a mobile. Rather, you can, if you have a smart TV at your home or a TV which gets connected to the device or to internet, you can watch the YouTube video on the TV so that the child is not very close to the mobile. That is the only reason why we wanted to put our videos on the YouTube for easy accessibility to all the parents. Now, parents, one important thing, we are very, very connected to our children because the school does not work for any other thing except for the children. Just now, Priyanka ma'am has told you about the beliefs and mission. You must have seen that everything is child-centric. It is each and every mission and belief of the school is related to the child. The child is the focus of our life. The child is the focus of our learning also. And with respect to that, there are different sections of the classes. So nursery class is named, the section is named on the Disney princesses because that is what the children are more closely related to. Hence, we have nursery Cinderella, that's the section of nursery. Then LKG classes are, the divisions of LKG classes are related to the Peter Pan characters because as the child grows up, Peter Pan stories are something that the child grows up with. So we have LKG Elf, which is a Peter Pan character. Then we have UKG, where is a little bit of shapes and different things which are a little unknown to the children are also being learned. So we have UKG classes, as the sections of the UKG classes are named on unusual shapes. So we have UKG Crescent, which exactly is the shape of the moon when it is half parted. So those are the important things. We in our school take small things, minute things into consideration when we plan, because we are planning not for the teachers, not for the parents, but also for our dear darling children. And we will not leave any stone unturned to give quality education to the children in all respect. Parents, we follow Next curriculum, which exactly is the curriculum of Next Education. It's a very big brand, an international brand. So we follow Next curriculum, which exactly is a playway curriculum. Today, my teachers are going to take you to the parts of the curriculum, how it will look like. The Next curriculum is being told in detail in another session, because one session is not enough to tell you about the curriculum. Today is the orientation session. We will shortly have a Next curriculum session where we'll talk about the different aspects of this curriculum. One of my teacher during the session will even show you there is a mobile app for the Next curriculum. We would just request you to download the app from Play Store. When that particular slide will come and Radhika ma'am will take it, at that time you just have to download and do not do anything except for downloading. We will take another session of Next Education, wherein I have also called a person straight away from Next Education to tell you what this curriculum is everything about. Today we are going to just touch the facets of the curriculum. Last point that I want to cover with everybody. So the books have reached us. They have reached us, yes, last week. We were making book sets for all of you for the ease of distribution. You will shortly receive a message on your grade groups for calling the school and booking a time slot so that you can come in that particular time slot to collect your books. So we know that your children are very, very young, and we do not want to have the distribution by calling all of you together. We feel it is our utmost responsibility to take care of the children, even though we are not with them physically. And that is the reason you will be sent a note when we are ready. You will be calling the numbers that we'll be providing on the note. You will call and book a time slot for yourself. In that time slot, only you will come and collect the book set from the school. But rest is assured, till the time the books haven't reached you, what we are doing with the teachers is way enough. So you do not require the books, you do not require anything. Otherwise, we would have given you the books quite earlier. So just have a little more patience, be with the children, play with the children. That exactly is what I want to tell you. And at the end, I myself, I'm a mother of one girl and so many children over here at school. Enjoy the parenting, parents. It's really the utmost feeling that ever has been received by any person ever in the world. Your children are wonderful, and now you have given those children to us. Have faith in us. We together will be able to achieve what we want to achieve for our children. Thank you so much for listening to me, and thank you so much for being with us today. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Principal Ma'am. Hello everyone. Now we'll move on to the next slide. Let's meet our pre-primary supporting pillars and our teachers. So let's welcome Mrs. Rajkumari Agrawal.
Good evening, dear parents. I hope we all are doing well. Yeah, I know we are, and having lots of fun with different activities which are given on a daily basis by our pre-primary teacher, by the pre-primary teachers. Yeah, I'm here. This is my first year in this organization, and I've joined in here as a event coordinator. In the education field, I have an experience of around 4 to 5 years. I've completed my MBA, and also I have done my critical thinking and problem solving skills from British Council course. Several events have been conducted under my guidance and with the support of my mentors over the years in different organizations. And here I am now joined in as the event coordinator of our school, the Stepping Stone School and Step-in Kids School. I wish to meet all the children together and have many various activities. But yes, we are at home, but still we will try to have different activities, events, fun learning, which will develop their skills being at home. Thank you, Swati ma'am.
Thank you, Rajkumari ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now let's welcome our admin staff. First, I would like to invite Mrs. Anushka Palande.
Thank you, Swati ma'am. Good evening, all my seniors, teachers, and my dear parents. You have two hands, one to help yourself, the second to help others. I am Mrs. Anushka Malandi. This is my 8th year in the Stepping Stone School. I am working as an admin officer for this organization. In case of any concern or query, you can meet me anytime in the school from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thanks and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Anushka ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Saili Abhyankar.
Thank you, Swati ma'am. Good evening, all my seniors, teachers, and my parents. Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. I am Mrs. Sairi Abhyankar. I am working as an account officer for this organization since last 10 years. In case of any concern, you can meet me in the school at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Monday to Saturday. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Saili ma'am.
Welcome.
Now let's meet our pre-primary teachers. So first, I would like to invite Miss Srijata Bhattacharya.
Hello, my children. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Now you have to sing with me. Hello, children. Let's sing together this entire year. We will learn English and fall in love with English. So this is your Srijita ma'am. I am the English supervisor of pre-primary section, and not only that, I am the mother teacher of UKG Crescent. We will have lots of fun the entire year with not only English but with all the other subjects. So be ready. We are going to have lots and lots of fun together. Okay? So see you very soon, children. I love you all. Bye bye.
Thank you, Srijita ma'am.
Now I would like to welcome our next teacher, that is Swati Tilekar ma'am.
Good evening, respected dignitaries and my dear parents. And also, good evening to my little sapiens. जैसे मेरे चेहरे पे बिंदी बहुत अच्छी लगती है, वैसे सभी भाषाओं में हिंदी भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है। इसी विचार के साथ मैं अपने बच्चों को और आप सबको एक प्यारी सी कविता सुनाना चाहूंगी। स्कूल है मेरा कितना प्यारा, स्कूल है मेरा कितना प्यारा, क्लास भरा है दोस्तों से सारा, यहीं पे होता हंसना रोना, यहीं पे होता हंसना, उन्हीं के साथ है लड़ना पड़ना। टीचर मेरे कितने प्यारे, टीचर मेरे कितने प्यारे, लाड़ बारे, हंसते गाते होता है पढ़ना, हंसते गाते होता है पढ़ना, जैसे फूलों के संग यही है खिलना। स्कूल लगता हमको सबसे न्यारा, स्कूल लगता हमको सबसे न्यारा, जैसे माँ का आंचल प्यारा, जैसे माँ का आंचल प्यारा। With this poem, I would like to introduce myself. I am Swati Tilekar, mother teacher of LKG class and also Hindi supervisor in pre-primary section. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Swati ma'am.
Then I would like to invite Miss Rupali Nikam.
Good evening, respected dignitaries, my dear parents, and my lovely bachas. Life needs numbers, life needs shape, life needs colors in all the way. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. Numbers are the queen of math. adding bright, subtracting light, multiplying happiness within light. Dear parents, a good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. With this quote, I would like to introduce myself. I am Rupali Nikam, mother teacher of LKG and math supervisor of pre-primary. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you so much, Rupali ma'am. I would like to invite Mrs. Megha Rajpure.
जिंदगी सवार लो, एक नई बहार दो, दुनिया ही बदल दूं, मैं तो प्यारा सा चमत्कार हूँ। मैं किसी का सपना हूँ जो आज बन चुका हूँ सच, अब ये मेरा सपना है कि सबके सपने सच मैं करूँ। आसमां को छू लूं, तितली बन उड़ूं, हाँ हेलीकॉप्टर, हाँ हाँ हाँ, मैं हूँ एक उड़ता रोबो, डोरेमोन। Hello children, good evening parents, good evening my little stepians. देखो मुझे आज हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड डायरेक्टर सर एंड प्रिंसिपल मैम ने मुझे यहाँ पे इनवाइट किया है, क्योंकि आप तो मुझे टीवी पे रोज देखते हो। उन्होंने कहा क्यों ना डोरेमन जी आप हमारे स्टेपिंग किड्स में हमारे बच्चों से मिलने के लिए क्यों नहीं आ सकते। इसलिए मैं दौड़ा भागा चला गया आपसे मिलने के लिए। हेलो, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। तो मेरे पास आपके लिए 2 सरप्राइज है। यस, फर्स्ट वन इज डोर एनीवेयर गजेट एंड माय कलरफुल पेंटिंग ब्रश। तो पहला गैजेट से मैं आपका सरप्राइज आपके पास लेके आ रहा हूँ। मेरा फर्स्ट सरप्राइज, कम ऑन। यस, ये है डोर एनीवेयर। तो खुलजा सिम सिम, आपका सरप्राइज आपके पास है। यस, तो डोरेमन ने देखो कितना अच्छा सरप्राइज दिया है। गुड इवनिंग रिस्पेक्टेड डायरेक्टर सर, टीचर्स एंड माय डियर लिटिल स्टेपियंस। सो देखो डोरेमन ने मुझे ये कलरफुल पेंटिंग ब्रश भी दिया है। इससे हम पूरे साल भर क्रिएटिव एंड कलरफुल पेंटिंग्स, क्राफ्ट एंड ड्राइंग करेंगे और हमारा पूरा साल कलरफुल एंड क्रिएटिव बनाएंगे। तो आप रेडी हो मेरे साथ कलरफुल ड्राइंग, आर्ट, क्राफ्ट एंड क्रिएटिविटी तैयार करने के लिए? यस, तो ये ब्रश से मैंने एक क्रिएटिव राइम भी लिखी है, उससे मैं मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहती हूँ। ओके, सो लिसन, line, shape and color are elements of art. Texture, space and value. When I start, when I use what I know, as an artist I will grow. Line, shape and color are elements of art. Texture, space and value, the ABCs of art. With this, I like to introduce myself. I am Megha Rajpure, supervisor of art section in art in pre-primary section and mother teacher of nursery class. Thank you and have a colorful day. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Megha ma'am. Now, I would like to invite Mrs. Radhika Agad.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Hello everyone. It is so beautiful when your work and passion come together. I am Radhika Agas, mother teacher of nursery class. I am eagerly waiting to play, have fun, grow, learn with my children, because teaching is not my profession, it's my passion. Thank you.
Thank you, Radhika ma'am. Now, I would like to invite Mrs. Priyanka Marne.
Good evening, ma'am. Today we are going to sing a rhyme. See? आप फलों का राजा है, कर देता है मोटा ताजा, होता खूब रसीला है, दिखता पीला पीला है. So children, I'm very eager to meet you all. We'll see you soon. Parent, good teacher holds hands, open mind and touches heart. With this quote, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Mrs. Priyanka Mane, mother teacher of nursery class. Thank you and very good day ahead.
Thank you, Priyanka ma'am. Then I would like to invite Mrs. Aparna Joshi.
Thank you, Swati ma'am. Hello everyone. Exercise is not only change your body, it change your mind, your attitude and your mood. Good evening, respected principal ma'am, parents and all TSS teachers and my lovely bacha. I am Zin Aparna Joshi, a Zumba instructor, licensed Zumba instructor. I will conducting a dance fitness in this MAD session. MAD session is all about music and dance with the fun fitness. And I'm definitely sure your kids will enjoy this session and we are together doing lots of fun. Thank you, respected principal ma'am and TSS family to giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aparna ma'am. Then I would like to invite Mrs. Pooja Patil.
Okay, so Swati ma'am, could I give her introduction because Pooja ma'am is trying to connect with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Pooja ma'am is trying to connect with us since last 15 minutes, but she comes and then the connection gets lost. So parents, we are very happy to announce that we had started graphology in our school since last 5 years. And we know that the formative years are very, very important for making the foundation of the writing for the children. That is the reason we have enrolled Mrs. Pooja Patil, who's an international graphology mentor. She is going to take graphology, that means the art of writing for our children of kindergarten. So only for our LKG, UKG, because nursery children are too small right now to be judged and guided for their writing. And for that particular reason, we have our writing being taken care, our strokes being taken care by Miss Pooja Patil. When I came across her 5 years back, I found her to be a very beautiful personality, as well as a person who has learned a science which is completely new for all of us. I never knew that a child's behavior could be changed only by changing the writing. That's a very beautiful art, and I was completely intrigued, because of which we tried to have this writing strokes being introduced since the time the child will start his or her writing strokes. So from LKG, we have the graphology, and the graphology keeps on happening in our school, even for primary section till grade 4. So Miss Patil will be delighted to be here today, which could not happen due to connectivity issues. And I'm 100% sure that with her, we will make sure that the children will have their strokes not perfected, because we are not looking at perfection. We are looking at positivity. So we'll make sure that positivity is ingrained in their mind and in their personality through these positive strokes. Thank you so much, Swati ma'am. I'm 100% sure that this is what Pooja ma'am had also said if she would have been here today. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, definitely, ma'am. Thank you so much to our pre-primary pillars.
Now I would request Swati ma'am to please take the program forward.
Thank you, Srijita ma'am. Now we'll move on to the next slide, that is curriculum. Dear parents, let us have a look at our curriculum. The curriculum is based on the following methods and different skills. In our school curriculum, we have reading readiness. In reading, we teach alphabets. In alphabets, we teach mama and baby letters. Then we have phonics, number sense, counting, and actions. In writing readiness, we teach patterns, that means standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, and curves. Then we have alphabets, then numbers. Also, in our curriculum, we have environmental science, that means EVS. Apart from that, we have art and craft, then English and Hindi rhymes. Those rhymes are based on thematic and conceptual. Also, we have concepts, computer-based skills. Then in health and physical education, we teach different types of yoga poses and asanas. In mental and spiritual health, we teach meditation and shlokas. In shape sports, we teach physical activities through fun. Also, we have English and Hindi stories. In happy time, we teach moral values and information. I hope you all have understood the curriculum. Thank you. For the next slide, I would like to invite
Thank you, Swati ma'am. The curriculum which we follow is the next curriculum. This curriculum is not just a normal curriculum for learning. It is also focusing on different skills and development of the children through digital learning and audiovisual concept. The app is interactive and children-centric. Hence, it is loved by the children. Now, we will move on to the next slide. This is the icon of next curriculum. You can download this app from Play Store itself. By downloading the application, you will be able to access various digitalized course book, workbooks, which are interactive and fun based. So, you all need to download this application on your mobile phones to see the best of audio visual formats for the next curriculum books. I would like to request to Rupali ma'am for the next slide.
Thank you, Radhika ma'am. Children love colors. They love to see colorful things around them. There are different color coded books for each grade. We have red color books for nursery, green color books for LKG, and blue color books for UKG. Let's move on to our next slide. In the next curriculum subjects, we have letters and words through which we focus on their different developing skills through alphabets, letters, first name in print, words, signs, recognition. In this pandemic time, we tried our best to connect through e-learning and teach our children through different types of activities like object sorting, things that go together. We also focus on their conversational skills through different story, rhymes, videos. How can the reading part can be kept behind? We have two-way conversation with our children through audio and video. Children retell the story according to their understanding in few lines. Numbers, shapes, and patterns are also the vital topic of our subjects. We teach number name, that is ONE1, TWO2 till 100 depending on the grade. We have counting objects. We celebrate different color days. We also teach different colors, shapes, and concept. Now, let's move on to another slide of subjects. As we know, we need to focus on our child's motor development skills, on their coordination skills, sensory, and also on their mental health. In this pandemic situation, we make sure that our children do different activities, different types of learning through e-learning. Our teacher focuses on these things that are balance, laterality, directionality, visual, motor coordination, and bilateral motor skills. Also, in our e-learning sessions, we make sure we teach our children the following things: identification, cooperation, respect, rights and belongings, social ethics, and persistence. We also take care of their mental health. We have meditation, shlokas, and morning prayers taken by our teachers through e-learning. For Brain Gym, we had different types of games and activities which was being taken at the time of Crefito. Thank you. Over to Srijata ma'am.
Thank you, Rupali ma'am. Parents, as you all must be already aware, we in Step In Kids work upon the different types of activities focusing on the skill enhancement of our children. We try to emphasize mostly on the holistic development of our children. And by holistic development, we mean the development of intellectual, mental, physical, emotional, and social abilities in a child so that he or she is capable of facing the demands and challenges of everyday life. Even during this pandemic, where we all are unable to meet our children physically, the school has continued and has still conducted several skill enhancement activities through videos during the April month. Then we had Craftito program, the task by teacher activities, and now through lesson plan videos. In school, we start with our day with circle time. In circle time is basically at a time which provides the children for listening, developing attention span, promoting oral communication, and learning new concepts and skills. It also gives the children various information about what is the day, why should we be happy, and many other moral values. After circle time, we have another important session, that is happy time. As the name tells, yes, happy time is a time full of happiness and fun. Not only that, we also focus on moral values and ethics, as at this age, it is a prime time for the children to create such a positive environment in school, and we teachers follow that as well. And by that, what happens is the personality development takes place through lots of encouragement and motivation. During these times, the teachers have continued to motivate the children and encourage them in all through on all the activities by sending them voice notes, personalized write-ups for each child. We also have trainings and brain gym activities. That means brain gym is basically a part of educational kinesiology program. And educational kinesiology means to draw out learning using movement. Brain gym helps to improve neurological functions so that areas of the brain are strongly connected and accessible for any given task. We in Step In Kids conduct such sessions during happy time. We also have graphology sessions as a person's formative years as a child determine the rest of one's life, rightly said by our honorable principal ma'am before. With the help of graphology, parents and teachers can understand their children in a better manner and be aware of how the world is influencing them. And in Step In Kids, graphology is only for the KG classes, that is LKG and UKG. For this, we have a trained graphology mentor for our little steppies, and she is Miss Pooja Patil ma'am. She is not only an excellent person for this role, but also a great human being. Not only graphology, Step in Kids also has fun fitness sessions as MAD, which is music and dance. As kids who enjoy sports and exercise tend to stay active throughout their lives. Hence, Step in Kids in Step in Kids, we do not want our children to be bored while doing the exercises. Hence, we have get mad fitness, that is music and dance. The teachers of our school did not step back in this as well. We have shared fun energizer videos. We have had fun fitness and crafter program as well. For this, we have a trained and licensed trainer, that is Mrs. Aparna Joshi ma'am. She has introduced herself before. She is loved by all. It is not because of her sessions always. It is because of her lively nature and special associations with all our tiny ones. Parents, kindly note, math fitness sessions, shape sports and graphology will start shortly in Step in Kids. For that, you need to stay tuned. These were some of the important activities we in Step in Kids conduct for the skill enhancement of our children. Now let us move to the next slide. Our little ones' parents have shown us how much they value the child's learning and development, and we are truly grateful to have you all. This is a quick reminder that how we can make a huge impact on the children by doing little things at home. Parents and teachers go hand in hand, and teachers are nothing without the parents. Thank you, parents, for the support throughout. Special bondings with the fathers can work wonders for the children. It can be done through bedtime stories, sharing favorite things together, and a lot more. For example, during Crafter program, we also conducted sessions with fathers like sing a poem, or in Father's Day celebration, we also conducted fireless cooking with our fathers. Family games plays a huge role in shaping the behavior of our children. Children learn to be patient, they learn to appreciate others, they learn to take turns, and it develops teamwork spirit in them. For that, we have also celebrated International Family Day, where all the families took part very enthusiastically. Talking about things with the child is very important. If we talk about the good things, happy things, and positive things about their school and surrounding, imagine how much value it will create for the child. For this, we have also given tasks like making greeting cards for the school and expressing their feelings for the school and their teachers. A feeling of belongingness, having a sense of responsibility and kindness can be initiated at home as well. Children who does the home assignments and projects with their entire family are always the happiest. We have witnessed all the parents of Step in Kids doing the activities with so much of creativity and innovation. We appreciate it all more than anything. These were some of the quick reminders for you all and how your role is the most important thing for the children at home. Now, let us move to the next slide. So, parents, this is the next slide as assessment scheme of Step in Kids. Please have a look at this carefully as I start explaining it. In school, the school is divided into 2 terms. The first term is from June to October and the second term is from December to March. We have one assessment per term, that is term 1 we have half yearly and term 2 is finals. We have the assessment through written and oral format. And as you can see, this is the assessment scheme of Step in Kids. Parents, we believe that the number of stars given is just a way of appreciating our children. But we appreciate and value each of our children more than any star in this world. As long as our children are kind, confident, empathetic, respectful, and most importantly happy, that is all we want. Now this was all about my part. Now to take the program forward, I would like to call upon my colleague, Ms. Megha Rajpure ma'am, to take the program forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Shrijita ma'am. So let's see our special events. All these, from assembly to Avayukta, are special events we celebrate every year in our school. Now, due to COVID-19, we all are in home and working from home. So, our school provide e-learning and digital learning to our children. And through live session, we celebrate our events. Some events like Mother's Day, International Family Day, Father's Day were celebrated very successfully. For this, we thanks all our parents and many clap for you all. When school will start physically, we will celebrate all these events in our school. I want to add one more point here regarding Avayukta. Avayukta is a parent involvement program which we started celebrating from last 3 years. Under Avayukta, we have celebrated many events successfully. I would like to mention a few which we celebrated recently, that is International Family Day, Mother's Day and Father's Day. And once again, thanks to all my parents. Thank you. Next slide, move on to Swati ma'am.
Thank you so much, Megha ma'am. Now we'll move on to the next slide. Right now, at this present situation, we are not running the school for students. Once the school will open, there are some guidelines to be followed. For our pre-primary section, the school is for 5 days a week. That means from Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday will be a holiday for children. Currently, since the school is not yet started, we are doing digital fun learning sessions for the children. For 5 days, we are sending lesson plans to the kids. On Saturday, there is a fun session. There are few guidelines which are expected from the parents. All the belongings of the child should be properly labeled. Books must be labeled. Child name should be written on the 9th page of the book. Parents should teach their children to take care of their belongings like books, crayons and all the study materials. Once the school opens, every Wednesday will be the casual dress day. Move on to the next slide. Kindly fill the form in the given almanac of page number 1 and 2. School will keep some books and notebooks with them. Also, timetable will be provided on the school's opening. Every Friday will be a fruit day for children. During this digital learning, also we have taken some activities for children so that they can have some healthy foods, fruits and vegetables. For better understanding and practicing for any concepts, we do an independent worksheet for kindergarten. Those are used in the classroom by the teachers. Only when there is homework or assignment, we send those worksheets and workbooks at home for practice. Few points which parents can take care. First point is, inform the school if change in residential address or phone number. For next point, we'll move on to next slide. Second point is, school is conducting PTM, means parents teachers meeting. Attendance of one parent is compulsory, as parents cannot meet the teachers for any queries during class hours. Once school will open, school will provide pencil box and crayons which children have to carry every day during school session. School is expecting some self-discipline among children and parents in terms of punctuality, habitual cleanliness and consistent attendance. Move on to next slide. Sorry. School is conducting theme assembly every month. School is conducting theme assemblies. Every month is a color-coded day as mentioned in the school planners. In the month of June, we had Violet Day. We have celebrated Violet Day during the digital learning session and conducted beautiful activity for the same. And we all have seen children enjoyed that activity a lot. In July, we'll be having Blue Day. Then in next month, we'll be having Orange Day. That is also will be celebrated in every month. School is also conducting various competitions for holistic growth of the children. Child should participate in every competition without a pressure of winning or losing. A school activity planner containing all the information about PTM, color days, assessment and holidays. Dear parents, school planner link is given on the same slide on the right hand corner below. You can refer that. I hope you all have understood all the school guidelines, and also from our end we are taking care of children's holistic development during digital learning sessions in all the possible way. You can see on the So thank you. For next slide, I would like to invite Megha ma'am.
Thank you,
This is our
Swati.
school planner. You can, dear parents, you can see in the screen.
Thank you, Swati ma'am. School timings and duration. When school will start physically. The all grade groups timings are following. Nursery timings. Term 1, 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Term 2, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Lower kindergarten timings. Term 1, 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Term 2, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Half an hour increase for the term 2. Lower upper kindergarten means UKG class. 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. from first day to last day. This is school timing and duration when school will start physically. Next slide. My first day at school. So, it is an excitement for the students to go to school, but a fear somewhere lies for the parent. But dear parents, it is not that they are only your child. They are our children too. So, a message from a child to all parents. Don't panic, mom and dad. I will be fine. As I will be in safe hand. I'm going to enjoy my school. I am big now. I can learn myself. Don't worry. Trust me, parents. For the next slide, I will call Rupali ma'am.
Thank you, Megha ma'am. Dear parents, I hope we have made you clear how our school functions. If you have any query or questions, feel free to ask us. These are our contact details. We also have our email IDs. The Stepping Stone School Pune at yahoo.in. We have our another mail ID, the Stepping Stone School cp at gmail.com. You can also visit us at our website, that is www.sspune.com. We also have a Facebook page, the Stepping Stone School Pune. Over to Srijita ma'am.
Thank you, Rupali ma'am. So parents, this is the end of our presentation. Thanks to my team and our respected principal ma'am for adding their valuable information to make it more clear for all of us. Parents, we hope we were able to make you all understand how our school functions. Now, we are going to open the forum for all the parents. If you have any queries, feedbacks, you may share it now. We will open the forum for 5 minutes for the parents to share their valuable feedbacks.
So parents, if you have any query regarding any of the slide, any of the curriculum concern, because we are going to take the curriculum later as we had spoken, we are trying to integrate all the curriculum points that we have mentioned here in our e-learning. We are trying to touch everything together, but still if you have certain concern regarding today's orientation, please feel free to share your concern, your questions here on this forum.
Yes, Rahul sir, you're raising your hand. Please share, sir.
Yeah, good evening, teachers and principal ma'am. Can I ask my question? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay. My question is, when the school will open, by the time, are we going to continue with our current online practice, or how are we going to going forward? We are going to do the teaching for the till the school starts.
Okay, so teachers, let me answer this question because this is related to the school opening. So, Mr. Kashikar, we know that this is an amalgamation of e-learning right now that we are doing. As according to the general resolution guideline which we have received from the state government, according to that particular guideline, we cannot open the school till September for our pre-primary section, and after that there are no guidelines that we have received. There are no directives that had come. There are certain directives for the higher classes as yet. From grade 2 till nursery or playgroup, we have not received any directive till September. The school has been told not to open any classes till September or hold physical classes till September for nursery till grade 2. Physically, school will not open for them. There are no guidelines as yet. That is the reason the school will continue till this using this e-learning platform throughout. Having said that, we will make sure that when the school will finally start, we will take care of all the necessary precautions first. And the second thing is, as you mentioned, whether it is going to continue with our online e-learning session, not online, but e-learning session. So, sir, we believe that teacher's touch is very much important for the children. So we will discontinue our e-learning and we'll start with the physical learning once the school will start physically with for the children.
Yeah, thank you. And I have another question. How many teachers are there for UKG?
So there is one teacher for UKG right now because we have 21 children only in UKG. And apart from, as Priyanka ma'am in beginning of the slide had shared, that the ratio is 20:1. So we have 21 children and we have Shrijita ma'am, and we do have our art supervisor who works with Shrijita ma'am to take care of the art activities of UKG as well as the other classes. So are you clear, Mr. Kashikar?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am, myself Prakash Kulkarni.
Yes, sir. Please Please continue, sir.
Yeah. In continuation with earlier question and Principal Ma'am's answer, I want to ask the e-learning sessions which will be conducted henceforth will be part of curriculum first, and after physical reopening of the school, the later part will be continued, or some portion will be covered after physical opening.
Could you please explain your question? I'm not able to understand, Mr. Kulkarni.
Yeah, I want to ask ma'am, first two parts of the question. First part is the e-learning sessions which we will be continuing or will be starting henceforth will be part of the curriculum of LKG.
Okay, I think we are very clear with it since the beginning. When I addressed you, when my teachers addressed you, all the parents, we had been saying that all the things that we are doing right now in e-learning, we are touching all the curriculum aspects, sir. We are integrating everything that we have to, all the different curriculums that have been put up by Rupali ma'am. I also took it in the beginning that we are integrating everything together and posting it in front of you. That is a part of curriculum, sir.
Okay, and which is aligned with the textbooks which will be provided to us.
Yes, you will be provided the next curriculum. We are following the next curriculum lesson plans right now.
Okay, and the second part is that after physical start of the reopening of the school, the same portion will be continued in that part. Means earlier nothing will be covered.
Earlier nothing will be covered. I don't get it. We are covering it, sir.
No.
Ma'am, can I add?
I think I understood his question, ma'am.
Okay.
He's trying to say the lesson plans we are providing right now. Are we going to take that when the physical school is getting open, or then we'll continue the next?
Right.
We'll be revising, sir. We'll be revising everything.
Okay. Means after physical opening of the school, everything will be revised once again.
Yes, sir. Because mother touch is always required, sir.
Okay. Right. That's what I wanted to ask. Just parents are parents, not teachers.
But still, we consider parents as teachers right now because there is no other way out.
Exactly.
Whatever we are sending right now, we completely understand that parents are parents and they are not teachers. But the current situation, sir, has made us in such a manner that we have to take care of it.
Exactly, man. Every parent is teacher and every teacher is parent. But the aspect ratio is different for parents and teachers.
Definitely,
that's
sir.
What.
That is the reason the group, that great group that we have created of nursery, LKG, UKG, I will request all the parents to please post on any kind of query on that great group for the teachers to answer. So if by any chance you are not able to, or you have certain challenges completing a particular thing or understanding a particular thing, all the teachers are there on the great group. That great group, the group WhatsApp group that we have created is called as a great group. So the great group which is being created is a two-way communication. So you could also post your queries, your concerns, and ask the teacher on how to take that study at this child's home. So that manner, we understand your limitations, we understand the current situation's limitations, but I want all of you to work with us in this current situation, collaborate with each other so that we can work for the betterment of the children.
Sure. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yes, dear parents, any other queries? Yes, mother of Sarthak Joshi, I guess.
Yes, so
Good father. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir, please.
yeah, hello?
Sir, can you repeat? Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now we can.
Okay, good evening to all teachers. And my question is, you mentioned about next curriculum app as well as the books. So is it going to be through both the modes, or we are going to stick to books? So what is the role of app?
It is both the ways, sir. The next curriculum app is just to be downloaded. Please do not do anything except for downloading it. We will be taking a session shortly to tell you what is to be done. We have received login ID and details of each and every child. So once you download the app, we will provide a login ID and password per child, which you have to fill in to access the books. Because at this particular time, we may give you the books, but the digitals, the audios which are there in this curriculum cannot be seen in the book. It is a physical book, right? That is the reason we are providing you with the Next Curriculum app, through which you can even access the videos and the digitals of each and every topic that Next Curriculum has developed for us.
Okay, thank you.
We are running out of time, dear parents. So if any parent have any kind of query, please, you are free to ask here.
Ma'am, hello ma'am. I am Shital
Yes,
Vendadu. Ma'am, I have a concern about the syllabus. Is there any syllabus reduction according to the government? As government said, there will be a syllabus reduction for every school. Then is there any facility provided by our school? Means they are going to reduce the syllabus or not?
Right, Mrs. Bendele, I would like to ask this question. They're pre-primary, ma'am. The government directives are for board. They are not.
No, but ma'am, I think this syllabus is very huge for kids also, as we are the teachers.
Mrs. Conte Bendele, have you checked out the, the Graffito is not our syllabus. The task which were being given was our syllabus. That wasn't our syllabus, but the thing is, we tried to adapt it to our syllabus first. Second thing is, you must have seen the videos with the teachers are posting. It's like standing, sleeping lines and all this kind of thing right now. We haven't even started writing till 3 weeks in UKG, according to Next Education. So don't worry. The government directives which are, and seriously, there is no such directive as yet, parents, for reduction of syllabus, even for the board classes, not for the secondary sections at all. They are contemplating, but they're also thinking that if they will reduce the syllabus, then the child will lose out on important studies in the next class, when the child will go in the next class. So because of this thing, the talks are on. There is nothing that is finalized. What we are following is early childhood education. It is not at all conducive to any kind of syllabus reduction of any kind, first. Second thing is, everything that is being covered, if you talk about the assessment part, we will reduce the assessment part or take it creatively through activities. Like how we did it through Profito. If you remember, you just completed 1 or 2 minutes of fitness program and 10 marks were added to your kitty. Yes? So those kind of interactive sessions will be taken, not online because that couldn't happen right now, but through Google Forms or through videos, so that the assessment could be possible in the best creative manner first. Second is, as Mr. Kulkarni has mentioned, that parents are parents and not teachers. So how can we assess the children right now? We are assessing our studies. We are not assessing the children. So we could not do that unfair and unjust means right now by giving you a lot of syllabus and telling you, okay, we are going to take the exam tomorrow. We won't do that. We all are new to this situation. If you are new to it, we weren't trained about it, right? We were not trained for COVID-19 situation. We also came to know that all of a sudden this had come on the whole world. We are trying to strive and making sure that the learning never stops. Learning is what exactly is our goal. Assessment is not our goal.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Joshi, you are raising your hand. So do you have a query? Sarthak's father, Mr. Joshi?
Yeah, actually he has raised his hand earlier but had not lowered it. That might be
okay.
So there is a lower hand option in the same raise hand. It must have, it's a toggle actually, sir. It will turn to lower hand. You can do that. So your hand will not come as the participants list. Yes, it's in the participants list, sir. You may check out. There's the same option must have converted into lower hand. Just click on that. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, ma'am. Rudra Chavan's mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, appreciate all the teachers on this occasion, and it is a really hard working, and the efforts they are putting is really appreciable, and whatever they are doing like professionals, the video making and all, very nice videos they are putting on YouTube. So I just want to say thanks, a big thanks to them, and making our work easier. And children are really waiting for the reactions and all the stars and stickers they are providing, teachers are providing. So I just want to say thanks on behalf of all the parents.
I would like to highlight over here, Ms. Chavan, that even though you are one of our teacher in primary section and secondary section, this is not fabricated,
Yes.
right?
Exactly, ma'am.
It wasn't that I had told you earlier to appreciate the teachers. So thank you so much. It's a surprise coming from you as a teacher to appreciate all the people.
Surely.
I am 100% sure that your motivation will make us do better. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, Rajkumari ma'am, please go ahead. We are already at 6.
Yes, ma'am.
We've already covered most of the things, and if there is any other query, I will request the parents to post the query personally on our personal windows. We will be able to answer those queries. If there is any query related to learning, that means any kind of video that has been sent and you have any trouble executing the video with the children, you can post it on the grade group. But if it is concerning any other thing, please post it on our personal windows and we will be able to answer. You can post it in any teacher's personal window. It will come to me and we will discuss and give the answer. Most of my teachers already know many of the answers. So it's already 6:33. May we go ahead, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Please go ahead, ma'am.
Shujita, ma'am.
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am.
I
Now,
call Rupali, ma'am.
yes, Rupali ma'am, can you please take the next slide?
Thank you so much, Sujita ma'am. As we are aware of the current situation of the entire world, we know what we are facing. Let us make the learning with technology a new normal. Let us collaborate to make our future generation kinder, stronger, and braver to face the days ahead. We believe right now the parents are the greatest guides and facilitators at home. Let's make this session a positive and enriching experience for our young ones. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Over to Srijita ma'am.
So now we have come to the end of today's program. With the support of our amazing parents, Tiny Tots, my worthy colleagues, and most importantly, our respected Principal Ma'am and Honorable Director Sir, we thank you all for being present in today's orientation program for Step In Kids and making it successful by your valuable presence. Before I end this program, I would like to say a few lines. The time you, we, and our children spend together learning with fun activities will help our youngsters say with confidence, I love learning. Thank you, parents, for being with us. We wish you all the best for the rest of your life and stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you, parents. Rajkumari, over to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, dear parents, for being a part of this evening today and taking out some time for us. Even from your busy schedule, I know many of us have started working, but still I would like to thank all of you, that not only the parents, but also the teachers, because we do take time out from our busy schedule for all our students, not for the school, because here we understood about what we are going to give to our children. Thank you so much, dear parents, and happy weekend.
Parents, thank you, parents, for being with us in each and every time and step. I'm 100% sure with your help, we will give to the children which we have always dreamt of. Please be with us and support us through and through as you always have done. Thank you for being you, and have a very, very fun and happy weekend with your children. Thank you.